Hello again. Today I want to share with you some of the things that people have done while there is still time. And some of these people I know and some I don't know. Ali Turnbull, for example, features in the book Not Too Late at 58. She's done loads of things since being 58 and she's still working. She's learnt swing dance, learnt to play the trombone and plays in the town band. And she's learnt to row, she's become a qualified teacher to teach adults, and she intends to run the London Marathon again. Amazing woman. Eric Wolf also features. He always wanted to do a master's degree. The war, various job changes and bringing up a family conspired against it happening while he was at work, as well as doing a lot of charity work locally. And in his 80s, he did his MA in education. And in fact, he was in the same class as me, but finished it a long time before I did, and then went straight on to do a PhD as well. So well done, Dr. Wolf. Sarah Hampton is, her pen name is an author of 2 novels, both written since turning 80. And she and I used to go to the same writers group and we remained friends afterwards. Chris Henderson had always wanted to do voluntary work overseas, and at the age of 58 he requested a sabbatical from work to go and work in a village in Uganda. It was a risk as he had a mortgage and a cat, but it was a dream that he had to make come true, and he's maintained links with the people and the community since being back. One last one, Edward Peters was a business startup client of mine. He has worked in engineering for most of his life, but trained in his passion of graphic design as a hobby. And now he's left the rat race and he's setting up his own business using drones to make 3D images of historical sites. 5 very different people, 5 very different dreams. And as I record this, Debbie McGee is smashing it on Strictly Come Dancing at the age of 58. So I wonder what your dream is. Is it something big, something small, just something you've always wanted to do, or something you've recently decided that you want to do it? And I'm just wondering, is now the right time for you to do that? So a good way to realise your dream is to write it down in such a way that it meets the following criteria. First of all, write it in the present tense, as though it's happening right now. Make it really specific, not one day I will, or somewhere hot and sunny. Specify what date it is when you've already achieved your dream. So visualise having achieved it already. Where are you? What you're doing? How do you feel? What can you see? What can you hear? Is anybody else there with you, or are you by yourself? And when I say really specific, what date is it? What time is it? And this is called a visualization statement, and we go into it in a lot more detail on the course, on the online course, Not Too Late at 58, Is Now the Right Time for You? And the next course starts on the 27th of October. So the Not Too Late 58 book is out now. It's available on Amazon, and it has some inspirational quotes as well as some other things to think about and do. If you haven't already done so, please click on the link for the free taster from the course, Not Too Late at 58, Is Now the Right Time for You, and see what it's like, see how you like me as a trainer and coach. So I'll say thank you for listening once again, and I'll be in touch soon. Bye now.